Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn off community on your Rain app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here, or then all you have to do, just go down and you click here on number settings here. So then you come to this list and you just go down here, then you click here on neighborhood settings. So then you come to this list here, then you just click here on content settings here. Then you come to this list and you go down here, then you come here to community here, click in this sign or this color. Then like you say color, it's gone, that's mean community is on off now. Then you click here on play filter, then it's going to turn off with us on your Rain app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.